In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add liquidation levels in TradingView Pro. Before we jump into the steps, let me quickly explain what we're doing and why it matters. Liquidation levels help you visualize where over-leveraged positions in the market might get closed out. In other words, they show you potential zones of forced buying or selling, which can act as areas of support and resistance. Having these levels on your TradingView chart can give you an extra edge when planning entries, exits, or managing risk. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have your chart open for the asset you want to analyze. This can be anything you trade regularly, like a crypto pair, a stock, or a forex pair. It's also best if you're using TradingView Pro, because many of the more advanced indicators and layouts work much more smoothly with the Pro plan. Once your chart is open, go to the top of the screen and click on the Indicators button. This is usually located right above your chart area. Clicking this will open up the Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. Inside that window, click directly on the search box. This is where you're going to type in the name of the indicator you want. Start by typing Liquidation Levels. As you type, TradingView will show you a list of matching indicators created either by the platform or by community script authors. Take a moment to scan through the results and look for a liquidation levels indicator that fits your needs. Many scripts will have descriptions and user ratings. You can hover over an indicator to see more details, or click once to read the description and get a sense of how it calculates and displays the levels. When you've found one you want to use, simply click on it, and it will automatically be added to your chart. At this point, you should see the liquidation levels appear directly on your price chart. If things look cluttered or the colors aren't to your liking, you can customize the indicator settings. Just hover over the indicator's name in the chart legend, click the settings icon, and adjust inputs like timeframes, styles, and colors so it's easier for you to read. Finally, if you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want more layout options, more indicators on a single chart, and an overall smoother experience when using tools like liquidation levels, make sure to check the affiliate link in the description. That link will take you straight to the TradingView Pro sign-up page, where you can upgrade your account and unlock all the features that make this kind of analysis much more powerful and convenient.